Wait a second, please chill. Chill, Alyx. Where the hell is this place? Is Alyx? I think Alyx might kill me here. I'm leaving. Sorry. So this one is called Alyx Train Holiday. From ChaseVille. Wow. Oh. Why is this door not working? This should work fine. The red gate. Oh, gate override. Is there something wrong with you? Or should we go back and meet Alyx? I don't know. Oh shit, oh fucking god. Okay, I might find an exploit. Oh, let's meet Alyx this time.
Oh no! Get back! Oh no, Gordon.
Goodbye. So I might need to trigger something. So I trigger it. And this, so we need to trigger the things first. Oh my god. Wait a second. I'm trying. This gate is like a fucking crap. Oh my god, chill. I can get this junk thing down there. Or do you expect me to walk? So I'm gonna need Alyx to wait a second for this one. Come on, okay, fine now. Okay, I'm coming. For the Freeman, you remember you guys eat me like two days ago. No, not 2 days ago, 2 episodes ago. Hope they noticed that one. That looks like an invisible wall there. We got a muscle car here. Something from episode 2. You guys don't know. Poor Alyx. So we failed the mission. For a second. So I decide to replay this one again and see if we can save Alyx. Oh my god.
Come on, Gordon.
About this time we're going to use no clip. I just want to test it out.
Oh no!
Okay, let's go. We're at the speed of light now. So we're supposed to go up here, I think. And go all the way to here. What should I do here? This is what we're supposed to do.
Let's get out of here.
So yeah, that's the true ending there. I waste some time on the airport. Anyway, I just want to show you guys the real ending to this. And yeah. No, I hope you guys like this episode. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.